Guys, if you want to know how I made this beautiful balloon bouquet perfect for Valentine's Day, please stick around and I will show you how.
Hi guys, welcome to our channel.
Hi guys, welcome to our channel. This is FemMNY and we're glad to have you here. So thank you guys for joining me. For today's video, I'll be making a beautiful balloon bouquet and this is perfect for Valentine's Day. So this is gonna be the materials that we'll be using today. So all the materials we'll be using today, it'll be in the description down below. Please check that out. So with that said, we'll be using our white balloon, latex balloon, and this is gonna be the base. So we will inflate this. This is actually 10 inches. Inflate this into 8 inches. 4 of them will be on the very base. So we will inflate our base to 8 inches or 20.32 centimeter, and again using our balloon sizer right here. So as I said, this is gonna be the base, the very bottom. Okay, put this on the side. So now we'll inflate the second layer. The second layer will be inflating this to 7.5 inches or 19.05 centimeter, and again this is 10 inches. So once you got this, attach and connect, tie them, okay? So again, we will attach this too, and it becomes your quad, okay? Remember, this is inflated to 8 inches, and this is 7.5 inches. So the 7.5 will be on the second layer. See the bigger size, and then it got a little smaller. So we will connect this together. So the second layer we'll put it on the bottom. Okay, we'll switch. So just go like this, push that, and then switch the top one to the bottom, like that, and then do the second one, the same thing. Push this down, bring that up. And you go to the next one. Last one. So now this is your 8 inches balloon. This is 7.5. So remember, this is the base. 8. Turn it this way. Okay. And this time they're connected. So now, if you're new to this channel, we have a different video tutorial that you can follow. This is actually our balloon weight. So we have a different video right there. Please check that out. So this is 2 5 inches balloon filled with water. We'll put this on the very base of our balloon. So turn this around and then grab the tip of your balloon and then tie this one. So there you go, and then turn it like that. So there's the weight right there. Alright, so we'll add 3 more balloons here. It'll be 7.5. So we'll add this on the duplet right here. Then after you do this, you have your extra 260 balloon. Just tie it on here. And just tie this and add it right on here. So just like that, and you will see what we're gonna use this later, okay? So we'll put that on the side. So now I have my 12 inches balloon or 11 inches balloon. Just like that, just a little, and then tie this. So we'll make this into quads. So again, we have a different video tutorial if you wanna see how I made this. Right there, please check that out. And then this. So we'll make just 2 of this. There you go. So just use your 260 balloon scrap. Now you have this, and then put it right on here. Right, just like that. And this time we need our foil balloon. This is our heart balloon, so we'll add it right here. So all I'm gonna do is, you can either glue this on here with your low temperature glue gun, or you can use your 260Q balloon, or other option is your balloon glue dots. So for this one I will be using balloon glue dots. Alright, so we got this right there, so we'll put this on the side. So as you can see, I have 260 balloon inflated, and I'm gonna show you how to inflate this balloon. So we have this one, you stretch first, and then you inflate. I'll inflate it and just leaving just a little on the tip. And you need 3 of this. So we have our 3 inflated 260 balloon. So after you do that, you tie this in, tie it together. Just like that. So what you're going to do is hold it halfway, pinch it here, and then twist, turn. Do all of this 3 like this. So once you got all 3 right here, hold them all 3 like that, and then you twist it just like that. You got all this. So again, you can use your 260 balloon scrap, tie it. And then again, we'll attach this here. So that will add background to your bouquet. Alright, so it's time to make our petals, and it's gonna be, we need 5 petals for this particular video. So this is actually 11 inches, or you can use 12 inches, okay? I inflate this just to stretch the material, and after you inflate this, you release the air. That, and then you need your 260 balloon. And what I do, so they all look the same, I use this balloon stick. So I measure, it's about 4 inches right here. So I put the line, 4 inches. I put the tip of your nozzle right there on the 4 inches mark. Wrap this on here and hold on to your balloon, 260 balloon. Put this inside your latex balloon until you get the tip of your nozzle. Take this out, carefully remove your balloon stick. Okay, and hold on to your balloon, 260 balloon, and your latex balloon. So right here, I'm holding my 260 balloon. Now it's time to inflate your latex balloon. I inflate about this much, so just calculate or estimate that they're all the same. Now you need your pump. You hold on to the nozzle right there, then inflate your 260 balloon. Got it right there. Okay, now you need to hold on to your 260 tip of your 260 balloon and your latex balloon, and then stretch this so when you pump your air, it goes straight directly to your 260 balloon. 1, 2, 3, until you'll see that it protrude right here. Okay, hold on to your latex balloon, and then your 260 balloon. Okay, you have your nozzle, hold on tight, and then pull this end until it resists. Now you can tie your balloon, your 260 balloon. I tie it 3 times. Okay, and then cut the excess of your 260 balloon right there. Okay, so now add a little air on your latex balloon, and once you got this, see the nozzle that your balloon area protrude, push it to the side right here, and then your nozzle, release the air, and there goes your pedal. So you need 5 of this. So it curves a little. So I already inflated the four pedals. So as you can see, they're all pre-inflated. They're not perfectly the same, but about the same. Okay, it doesn't have to be perfectly the same size, but just like that. And then attach this all together, and it becomes your flower right there. Alright, just like that, we have our 5 petals right here. So we will attach this using our balloon glue dots. But before we attach this or connect, we will take the air, a little air here. We deflate that a little bit so it'll contour right here. So using your pump, you know there's a hole right here. So you use this. Just grab it like that. You stretch the nozzle with that right here. So right here. So you pull this. See how it sucks the air? Not too much. Take this out. So now you have your distortion right there. Tie this. So you do that on all 5 petals. Alright, so we got the air out. So now you have your distortion right there. So now it's time to attach them using your balloon glue dots. There you go, looking great. Just like that, guys. Alright, so now it's time to work on a centerpiece right here. So we have 5 inches balloon. Inflate this. We'll put it right on the center. So make it a little smaller like that. And then all you have to do is tie this. Put it right here. And then we'll put beads on the side, on the outside. So what we're gonna do is attach this here, again using your balloon glue dots. Now I'm gonna make balloon beads. Alright, so we have our 260 balloon. We'll make beads, so you stretch. Now we'll inflate our 260 balloon. Tie this. Okay, so I left like about 2 fists. Now squeeze. So now you pinch it here and then twist. So we have about less than 2 fingers. So once you do this, never let go with your first bead. So hold on tight. So hold on right there. Make another one. So as you can see, they're about the same. So So as I said, never let go with the first bead or else it's not gonna work. Hold on tight, okay? Put it in between your fingers, just like that. Keep going, so squeeze again, pinch and twist. So just like that, okay? Hold on tight, never let go. And we'll put this right on here. So around the center balloon. It's not enough yet, so we'll make more beads. That should be good. So now I'm gonna twist this. And squeeze and then tie. So now we'll put it right here. Okay. So once again, we will need our balloon glue dots to connect this on here or attach. And there you go. Now for the next process, we have this butterfly and we will incorporate this and attach this here. So if you want to know how we made this beautiful background, please check that out right there. So now we'll put this here using our balloon glue dots. Alright, and there you go guys, this is our balloon bouquet for Valentine's. I hope you like this and learned something from this video today. If you have any questions, suggestions, please leave it in the comment section down below and we'll check that out. And once again, this is Fandom NY. I hope you like this and we'll see you guys in the next video. Take care and have a wonderful day. Thank you. Bye.